Hi, this is Dansoy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one. This COVID-19 is putting a lot of stress and causing a lot of anxiety with people and their families. We have to do our best. We have to hang in there, stick together, watch cooking shows, comedies, and do our best. And hopefully by late spring, we could all be smiling and looking back on this nightmare, this mess. So you know where this virus came from. They did this. We got to do our best to get through it. So I'm going to give you a quick tip on a chicken club bacon salad. You can make this. It's really healthy and it's good for your immune system. I'm not saying we can eat healthy all the time, but now and then we can, and it could also change up our diet and give us something tasty. Alright, so I'm not a preacher or a doctor, but I'm trying to wear a mask as much as I can. The best thing you could do is try to get a mask also, and wear it when you can to protect yourself and your family. It can't hurt. I know a masked society is not fun. It's a shock to me, but we could do our best. I'll see you at the recipe. God bless. Love you. Alright, so welcome to the recipe. We're going to make a quick chicken bacon club salad. It's really simple. We got the ingredients there, and we got our mixing bowl. And like I said in previous videos, I don't edit my content. I'm real just like you. I'm a real person, not a celebrity. Just an ordinary person, so I want to keep it real. If I make a mistake, I make a mistake. I want you to see it. So in today's recipe, we have romaine lettuce already cut up. We got grilled chicken, grape tomatoes, eggs if you want, cucumber, and we have the bacon. We also have black pepper and some onion powder. Then we have some Thousand Island dressing and ranch, or you could use Caesar. And we're going to use this mixing bowl where we're going to mix everything up. So this salad is really good. It's healthy. It makes for a good lunch. Or you could add it for dinner. But like anything else, you can take these ingredients, add more, subtract, substitute. It's all up to you. We're in this together. And like I said, it's your cook. So let's get started by throwing some romaine lettuce in here. It all depends on how much you want. So put that in there, and then we'll add more content to this. Yeah, I know this recipe will not be long, but this is just going to give you a quick tip. I'm using a little bit more ingredients than normal, but this will give you a tasty salad. So take the grape tomatoes, either cut them up or leave them whole, and throw them in there. And we're using the hands that God gave us. So we're going to throw in that chicken, and we can actually stir this about. Alright, so we got that content in there. Just like mix everything up. But like this, there's like really no rhyme or reason. Just do it the best way you want. So the thing we're going to do now is we're going to take that cucumber. Start throwing the cucumber in there. And like I said, you could use more cucumber, less, more tomatoes. And like with the seasoning, throw it in. You can throw it in some now and then some later. So we're going to take this cucumber and we're going to throw that in there. Then we're going to just mix this again, toss it up. All right, so we got that mixed in there. The thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of this onion powder and I'm just going to throw a little bit in there. Not a lot, because we can wait to the end, but just get some onion flavor in there. And like I said, toss it about. And then the next step is we're going to throw in this egg. Alright, so we're going to throw in this egg. Toss more. Like I said, if you have things prepped, it doesn't take long. So the only step now is to start sprinkling this bacon in there. Then after that, we'll add more onion salt and black pepper. All right, so we have most of the ingredients in there. We only have this little bit of bacon left. Now we're going to take this and we're going to put the last of it in there. If you didn't want to, you could have left the egg out, but a lot of people love a hard-boiled egg in their salad. So the thing we're going to do is just mix this about, and then we're going to move this over here, and we'll put the seasoning on top. All right, so we have that in there. Now take your onion powder and throw some in there, and take some black pepper. Toss that in there, and we're all set. Now you can toss this, and if you want, you can add the dressing now or later, but here's two good choices, or you can use the salad dressing of your choice. So the thing we'll do now is we'll put this salad in a regular bowl, and we're set. And that's your salad for the day. All right, so there you have it, your chicken bacon club salad. It's really hard to display the salad because of everything mixed together and in a bowl. But there it is. So like with me, I like ranch, so I could just put some ranch in there. But you can put in whatever is for you. So thanks for taking this journey. Let's get through this virus. You and your family be safe. And I will talk to you soon. I'll see you throughout the week. God bless. Peace. Dansoy. Alright, so thanks for spending time with me today on Sunday. Hopefully you and your family is doing good. I will see you throughout the week. I'll bring more coronavirus recipes and other recipes. Talk to you soon. Love you. Peace. Dansoy. Mwah.